Garmin is about to completely embarrass the Apple Watch Ultra. And honestly, Cupertino should be panicking right now. If the latest supply chain code teardowns are even half true, the unreleased Fenix 9 Pro is not just an incremental update. It is an absolute nuke dropped directly on Apple's premium wearable market. I have been using the Apple Watch Ultra as my daily driver for a while, and the seamless integration with the Apple ecosystem is fantastic. But let us be real for a second. When you step off the grid, your life actually depends on your gear. You are miles from a cell signal, the forest is incredibly dense, and a dead battery means you are flying blind. For years, hikers, climbers, and ultra runners have trusted Garmin blindly because their hardware just refuses to die. Recently, though, competitors like Apple, Coros, and Sunto started catching up fast, shrinking that gap with some genuinely amazing new features. Garmin knew they could not just sit still. Recently, some incredibly sneaky tech experts were digging deep into the latest back-end software updates of the official Garmin Connect application. Hidden deep inside that code, they found a gold mine of clues pointing to a brand new outdoor watch. This thing looks like an absolute beast of a machine designed to crush the competition completely. Garmin is not just tweaking a few minor things to charge you a massive premium. They are completely reinventing their best watch from the ground up. And we need to talk about the insane display technology they are stealing right out from under Apple's nose. The screen is obviously the most important part of any smartwatch. For many years, outdoor athletes had to make a very frustrating choice between two flawed options. You had the classic memory and pixel screen, known as MIP. Those screens sip power and look great in direct sunlight, but the colors look entirely washed out indoors. Your other option was AMOLED. Apple slapped a beautiful OLED screen on the Ultra, and it looks gorgeous, just like a high-end smartphone. But we all know the dark side of OLED. It drains your battery ridiculously fast, and if you're using maximum GPS tracking on a multi-day hike, you're going to be begging for a charger. Plus, OLED is always at risk of permanent burn-in. According to the latest supply chain reports coming directly out of the ELEC, Garmin has finally solved this massive problem. The premium versions of the Fenix 9 Pro are reportedly jumping straight to microLED technology. This is the exact same microLED technology that Ross Young and Ming-Chi have been saying Apple is struggling to secure for their own watches. The word on the street is that Apple pushed their microLED watch Ultra back to 2026 or maybe even 2027 because of manufacturing yields. But Garmin is apparently beating them to the punch. MicroLED gives you the absolute best of both worlds. You get the stunning, vibrant colors and perfectly deep blacks of an AMOLED panel, but the technology is incredibly energy efficient. It uses a fraction of the power, which means you get that beautiful display without massive battery anxiety. But it gets even crazier. Industry insiders claim the peak brightness on this new microLED screen could hit an astonishing 4,500 nits. Honestly, I'll believe that when I see it, because that is brighter than almost any flagship smartphone on the market today. It absolutely destroys the 3,000 nit limit on the current Apple Watch Ultra. Think about what that means for a minute. You are climbing a massive glacier at high noon. The sun is reflecting off white snow, and the glare is completely blinding. Normally, you have to awkwardly shade your wrist just to read your topographic map. With a 4,500 nit microLED screen, your path will look as sharp and clear as a printed photograph, right in the direct sunlight. Are you guys holding out for the Apple Watch Ultra 3 this year? Or does a 4,500 nit Garmin screen actually tempt you to switch? Let me know down in the comments, because I am genuinely curious how many of you are tired of the Apple tax. Now we have to talk about the physical chassis, because the Fenix series has always been famous for being built like a tank. You drop it on rocks, smash it against trees, and it keeps working. But that extreme durability meant they were notoriously thick, heavy, and bulky. Wearing a traditional Fenix to bed feels like strapping a heavy brick to your wrist. Tracking your sleep is important for recovery, but a bulky watch just makes it frustrating. Apple honestly nailed the weight distribution on their Ultra models, and Garmin clearly took notes. Engineering tracking data and reports from DG Times show that Garmin is completely redesigning the shape of the Fenix case. They are shaving roughly 1.5 millimeters off the total thickness. Now, 1.5 millimeters might sound tiny on paper, but on a device that lives on your wrist 24/7, it completely alters the physics of how the watch wears. A thinner watch sits closer to your skin, balances the weight better, and glides smoothly under tight shirt cuffs or heavy rain jackets. It makes sleep tracking incredibly comfortable. Even though it is getting thinner, they're not compromising on toughness. The Fenix 9 Pro will reportedly still use a premium-grade 5 titanium chassis. Titanium is a magical metal, incredibly strong but remarkably lightweight. We saw Apple heavily market titanium last year, but raw titanium scratches pretty easily if you bang it against a rock. To fix that, Garmin is coating their titanium with a special diamond-like carbon layer, commonly known as DLC. This invisible shield makes the watch highly resistant to scratches and dents. You can scrape this thing against sharp granite boulders while rock climbing, and it will survive without a single ugly scratch. Finally, the biggest upgrade might just be the navigation. A premium outdoor watch is entirely defined by its maps and GPS capabilities. Right now, the best devices on the market use dual-band global navigation systems. Mark Gurman has frequently praised Apple's dual-band setup, but it still struggles in hostile environments. The Fenix 9 Pro is rumored to introduce true tri-band satellite tracking directly to your wrist. It can talk to satellites using 3 different frequency bands at the exact same time. If Mako Takara and the leak experts are right about these new antenna designs, the increase in accuracy will be mind-blowing. We're talking about pinpointing your exact location down to just 50 centimeters. Half a meter of accuracy on a consumer wearable is unprecedented. Imagine hiking a dangerous, narrow mountain ridge in thick fog where you can only see a few feet ahead. With 50-centimeter precision, your watch knows exactly which side of the trail you're standing on. It also solves the nasty signal bouncing issue you get when you're deep inside a steep canyon or under a dense canopy of trees. The tri-band technology cuts right through those obstacles, locking on its signals instantly, so you get a clean, perfect map trail. With TSMC 3 nanometers yields improving, we might see more efficient chips across the board soon. But Garmin-specific hardware upgrades here make them the undisputed king of the wild.